बगुले जिसमें बगुला का चोंच weak is yellowish and dorsal side grayish. There are about 20 egrets available in this paddy field. Very interesting phenomena. They are taking insect and food. They are going forward. The paddy field. These bagula are in the paddy field, new growing paddy plant, new planted plant. One white ibis is also in this field. Black weak, dorsal side grey of the white ibis. This is also worm and insect eater. These bagulas are taking the worms and insect from this field. Very interesting phenomena. They are also flying from here and they are going towards the tree from this. This is very interesting phenomena of the herons, and they are very interested bird which comes when the paddy planted in the field by the persons or the persons when ploughing the field by tractors. The black, the yellow, weak and neck egrets comes to take the worms and for the eating of the insects and worms. Very interesting phenomena in this field.